Philosophy asks why. Science asks how. But do you know the real difference between the two? Let's find out. When we talk about human knowledge, two important fields always come up: philosophy and science. Many people confuse the two, thinking they are the same. But while they are connected, philosophy and science are different in many ways. Let's begin with philosophy. Philosophy is often called the love of wisdom. It asks big questions about life, existence, knowledge, morality, and the nature of reality. A philosopher may ask, what is truth? Does God exist? What does it mean to live a good life? These questions cannot always be tested in a laboratory, but they push us to think deeply and reason clearly. Now, science is different. Science is based on observation, experiment, and evidence. Scientists ask questions like, what causes rain? How does the human brain work? What happens inside a black hole? These questions are studied through careful research, measurement, and testing. The answers can be proven or disproven by experiments. So, the main difference is this: philosophy deals with questions of meaning and ideas, while science deals with questions that can be tested and observed. But this doesn't mean they are enemies. In fact, philosophy gave birth to science. The earliest scientists, like Aristotle, were philosophers first. Philosophy laid the foundation by asking why, and science followed by asking how. Another difference is in methods. Philosophy uses reasoning, logic, and argument. Science uses experiments, evidence, and data. Philosophy seeks wisdom, while science seeks facts. Still, they work together. Philosophy helps science by questioning its assumptions and exploring its ethical limits. For example, science can tell us how to build powerful technology, but philosophy helps us ask whether it is right or wrong to use it. In conclusion, philosophy and science are like two wings of knowledge. Philosophy guides us to ask deeper questions, while science gives us practical answers. To truly grow in understanding, we need both. So, the next time you hear someone confuse philosophy with science, you'll know the difference. One is the search for meaning, the other is the search for facts, but together, they help us understand life and the world around us.